Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your printer has experienced an unexpected configuration problem 0x8007007e, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So there is a file called printconfig.dll, and this is the main culprit because if this file is missing, then the issue may be caused. So here's what we can do. I will stick to two solutions only. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter. And the second one is obviously to update the printer drivers, but do not do it from the device manager. This is one exception. Printers are one exception where I say never install drivers from the device manager. Go to the manufacturer website. So for example, I have a Canon 3012 printer and its drivers are 30101s. Okay, so I will go to the website. If you have an HP driver, go to the HP website. If you have a Epson printer, go to the Epson website. Okay, and then download the drivers and install them from here. Now when you install the drivers from here, this will also install the correct printconfig.dll file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.